Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, going to show you how you can change currency in Facebook Marketplace. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you can follow all the steps. So as you can see here, I'm on my Facebook Marketplace and I'm currently located at Manila. As you can see here, so the currency is on Philippine peso. Now, to basically change the currency, all you need to do here is you just have to change your location. So if you're going to click on the change location button at the top right, and then here basically you just have to type here your location. For example, I'm going to type United States. So if you're going to click on one of the cities on United States, basically here, it will also change the currency. So yeah, as you can see right from here on your screen, so from Philippine peso, it is now changed into US dollars. So yeah, that's how you basically change a currency. You just need to change the location, type here the location where you're at, and then it will automatically change your currency depending on a location or country that you have chosen. So yeah, that's it. That's how you basically change a currency in Facebook Marketplace. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.